Okay, I came in to take a break. So, I want you to guess where I'm going to put the asparagus. Put it down in the comment right here. And we're going to see if you're right. So, until the reveal, I'll see you on the next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please leave a comment on where you think I'm going to put these asparagus. Am I going to put it in my fence area and build a trench? Will I put it in my pools? Will I put it in a container? Or will I put it in the front? Let me know in the comments down below where you think the asparagus are going to go. Okay guys, I chose the front because I knew that soil. So I thought it made sense for me to plant it there. And I can kind of keep an eye on it in the morning. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, here's the roots. They're soaking. They've been soaking for a nice minute. As well as what I got here. I went ahead and just mixed up some amendments, so I can amend the soil a little more. And I just got some vermiculite. I have some soil in the car. I'm gonna get out after I get these here where I need them. So I'll be back to show you where I'm at. Okay, somebody may look and say, that's not right. Well, as I was trying to open them up, they kind of like broke apart a little bit. So we're gonna try this here. And yeah, my neighbor and his motorcycle. So now it's time to cover them up. Guys, these mosquitoes are attacking. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is where we at. I'm about to water it down. And I'm done. I mean, I gotta still pull more weeds. But right now it's planted. I still have the one that's in the bucket on the porch. And I'll get that planted soon. So I'm finna water down. Well, you get better, man. So it's watered down. And now we'll see what happens.